Because see, water levels on the other rivers as well has been declining. There has been scanty rainfall in the Himalayan belt. The climate change factor also is playing a role. The scanty snowfall, the reduced precipitation in the Himalayas has reduced the perennial flow of water across Ravi, Bias and Satluj. If you look at the water levels in the Ranjit Sagar Dam, which is a major dam on the Ravi River, the Pong Dam as well, which I was mentioning, the water storage levels are much lower than average. And Punjab has said, despite having lesser water, we have released more than the allocated share to Haryana. And why are they demanding extra water? This is the claim of Punjab. But Haryana is claiming that if you look at 2024 alone, Punjab has received 9.3% more than the allotted share, whereas Haryana has seen a reduction of 0.198% and the allocated share. So this is the conflicting claim of the Haryana government. Haryana also says that if you look at the water sharing data of the last 2 decades, of the last 20 years, Punjab has received 22.44% more than the allocated, whereas Haryana has received just 7.67% more than the allocated share. So Haryana's complaint is that there is an unequal distribution of water, with Punjab enjoying a higher share. And even though Haryana has a critical need for drinking water, because see, right now in Punjab, the farming cycle is such that farmers don't need excess water as of now. The sowing season is over. The sowing of the wheat crops is already over. So the agrarian demand for irrigation has been taken care of. But in Haryana, there's a critical need for drinking water. There's a critical shortage because of the summer months. That's why Haryana is demanding that additional water has to be released. Punjab is saying if we release the water now, we will not have enough water in the coming months for the next cropping cycle, which is going to affect the farmers in Punjab. So this is the essential conflict between the two states. Now, how will this be resolved? What is the way forward? Let's understand this. So to talk about the interstate water disputes, we need to look at the constitutional and legal provisions and what mechanisms are available to resolve such disputes. Because India is not new to such interstate water disputes. We have seen many such disputes erupt, which have even turned into violent clashes and conflicts between states. Take, for example, the Kaveri River dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Like this, across the country, there are multiple water sharing disputes. So if you look at the state list and the union list under Schedule 7 of the Indian Constitution, which divides the subjects, under Entry 17, water supply, irrigation, canal management, drainage, embankments, water storage and water power. These are subjects vested with the state government. They are under the state's jurisdiction. When it comes to regulation and development of interstate river valleys, this is clearly under the union list, under Entry 56. So there are certain shared powers between the state and the union when it comes to management of rivers and water. If it's an interstate river valley, the union government has a higher degree of control, but when it comes to water supply, irrigation, canal, water power, etc., these are state subjects. Then we have a constitution in the article. We have a specific article in our constitution, Article 262. Article 262 deals exclusively with interstate water sharing disputes. What does Article 262 provide for? According to Article 262, the Parliament by law can provide